Let's be honest, your sales team is spending as little as 25% of their day actually selling. This is not a guess, this is data. And that other 75% is grunt work. The admin tax you pay on every deal. Post-call summaries, manual CRM updates, data entry, it's just copy pasting and killing the chance to hit their quota. For a sales leader, this is expensive and a frustrating problem. You've hired skilled, high salary closers and they're spending 3/4 of their time doing the work of low entry, data entry clerks. You don't need another dashboard. You don't need another motivational talk. You got to give them 10 hours of their week back. And AI is the only practical way to do that fast and at scale. So imagine you're a sales manager. You just watched your best rep, Sarah, finish a great discovery call. And then you watch her spend the next 30 minutes typing up the call notes, trying to remember the action items, and copy pasting that info into 5 different fields of your CRM. That's 30 minutes she wasn't prospecting or closing. Now multiply that out by 10 reps, 5 days a week, and that cost can get staggering. So this is how you fix it. You don't need a magic button. You need 3 practical recipe-style AI workflows. Recipe 1, automate that post-call summary. This is that first domino. You plug an AI tool into your Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet. It's going to listen to the call and generate that perfect summary. It's going to identify key topics and list all your action items. 30 minutes turns into 30 seconds. Recipe number 2, automate the CRM update. This is the workflow part. The AI doesn't just create the summary, it's going to send it. You connect it to your CRM so that summary and the action items and call notes are automatically populated into the correct fields. The rep just has to hit review and save. Number 3, automate that follow-up draft. Now, the AI is going to use that summary to help sell. The rep can prompt using this call summary, draft a follow-up email that confirms the action items and attaches our pricing. It's not sending it, the rep is still in control, but that 15-minute task of writing it turns into 15 seconds of editing. So here's the strategy first, tool second trap. Most businesses will buy an AI tool, tick the box, and nothing happens because no one rewires the workflows. If you don't connect the tool to the CRM, you've made another inbox for your reps to check. You just created smarter but faster chaos. So this isn't about replacing your sales team, it's about unburdening them. You're not removing their skills, you're removing the grunt work that gets in the way of their skills. That 10 hours back is 10 more hours they can spend building relationships, closing deals, the human parts of the job. So here's your action item. For the next 2 days, ask one rep to put a timer on their screen. Have them track the exact time they spend on post-call admin. That's all. When you see that number, you'll know exactly where to start. This is Brains, Bots, and Business. We'll catch you on the next one.